Hi, I'm Sue Stacco from Sauvon-Lansalang. A few of us from our group are coming here today to explore the river a little bit more right from the water in kayaks. We'll just be three people, and it looks pretty interesting. It should make it for an interesting paddle since a lot of debris and logs are in the river, so we'll probably be getting out of the kayaks as much as we'll be getting into them.
Mon nom est François Roussel, je suis résident de l'ouest de l'île, membre du regroupement Sauvon-Lansalang. Je m'intéresse à ce territoire depuis un certain nombre d'années parce que notamment j'ai beaucoup exploré Cap-Saint-Jacques, chemin de Lansalang à ma droite. Et on est ici aujourd'hui pour démontrer l'importance écologique de ce territoire qu'il faut protéger.
I'm Jamie Kinsman. I'm a relatively new member of Save Lansalang, Sauvon-Lansalang. And as soon as I heard about one of the other members, Francois, talking about going down this precious water resource, I wanted to be part of the project. And we are lucky that there's a store called Base Camp in Pointe Claire, and they've agreed to lend us the kayaks and the equipment for free. So thank you, Base Camp. And yeah, the water is lower than ideally it would be when we were first thinking about doing this, but we'll try it out, and hopefully we'll see some of the denizens of this area without seeing too many mosquitoes. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. There we go.
Some good footage.
That was close.
Watching everybody dunk.
Okay. That was
Very
right
graceful. Very graceful.
That was right out of Hanna-Barbera. Fred Flintstone.
On sera discret.
Faut aller à gauche, on est tous à gauche.
So we do not want to have a fight with Canada geese to start off.
Well, to be able to just take your car or the bus for less than an hour drive to do a recreational activity such as this could be such a great value to the city. To have a national urban park within the city limits is gold. Think of the tourism it would attract, the value that it adds to the properties on island that live within proximity to it, that lie within proximity.
I guess they're the neighbors. Oh yeah. Turtles have just gone off the log. So we've been gone about 45 seconds. We've already seen 2 families of Canada geese and 2 turtles that have just slid off a log. And then there was something else that just went underwater here. A beaver dam? Yeah.
It's really a jewel that we need the entire area protected. But what's especially special about this river is that it's surrounded by forests and fields, and all of that needs to be protected.
À l'heure actuelle, on est dans le parc, donc le secteur protégé, mais à ma gauche, à quelques centaines de mètres, il y a un projet de développement immobilier de 185 hectares sur des terres agricoles qui ont été dézonées dans les années 90. Et on croit que c'est très important de les préserver pour la diversité écologique dans le secteur. pour préserver les zones humides qui est l'habitat de nombreuses espèces d'animaux aquatiques, d'oiseaux.
So this is where the river drains out. The Rivière à l'Orme drains into the Lake of Two Mountains here. As you can see, there's a lot of debris, and this area was completely flooded last spring in the historic spring floods of 2017. This bridge was actually closed. The road was closed here. It's a powerful river when we have heavy flooding, and so much of the land that is slated for development was also underwater. So this is the source of where all that water came from in terms of the flooding in this area.
Francois has found a tributary of the Elm River. Est-ce que ça... Ouais. Your seat will fit under. Oh yeah! Bravo! Fortunately there's a big truck tire over there.
This buckthorn is so prickly.
I think especially as urbanization and densification increases, which is, I think, largely unavoidable, it's extremely important to protect places like this and bring people to places like this so that they can see what the natural world looks like and how essential it is. This area is hugely important to flood prevention, which is only likely to increase as with climate change. It's just a beautiful space, and I think it's very important for people to realize too that they're not just humans that live on the island of Montreal. There are all kinds of animals and plants.
On est vraiment au cœur d'une zone humide, donc la rivière à l'Orme, c'est vraiment je dirais l'artère de ce territoire-là. Il y a des bassins versants du côté est et ouest qui se dérivent dans la rivière, qui se versent dans la rivière. Donc notamment si on développait, on faisait le développement immobilier tel qui a été planifié dans les années 70 et 80 au complet ici, la rivière recevrait environ 3 fois le débit qu'elle est capable d'évacuer. Donc on serait pris avec un très gros problème.
Oh, a beautiful butterfly.
Most of the island of Montreal used to look like this. So this is one of the very few remaining spots that look anything like the island of Montreal looked like for thousands of years. I think it's important to come and show people what this looks like and why it needs to be protected.
J'ai l'impression que c'est magnifique. Faut faire attention aux arbres parce qu'il y a beaucoup de castors. Et ça m'a valu de chavirer dans l'eau tout à l'heure. Ça prouve que c'est un territoire avec énormément de faune active. On voit des troncs d'arbres gros comme ça qui ont été coupés par les castors.
I'm so glad we did this. It was, I've been up and down the road many times and never on the river. So I'd love to bring my kids to do this actually.
And just stunningly beautiful.
Yeah.
Really the best medicine anyone could ask for to relieve stress, to cope with our lives. It has to be. We have to really make this the jewel in the crown of this park and do everything we can to make sure it's clean and the habitat is safe for the animals here.